What up, YouTube? This is 404. I wanted to make a video because I haven't made a video in a while, and I wanted to show you an update on my PC. For most of you who don't know, I had to sell all my cards due to my health, and lately I've been trying to rebuild my collection, and this is all my Seattle stuff, so let me know what y'all think. Alright, first, 9.5 Gem Mint 10 autograph rookie auto out of UD Encore Sean Alexander. I got both the patch version and the jersey version 9.5 out of Sean Alexander out of Black Diamond, I think. And just some other stuff, quad patch, Hasselback, Steve Largent auto out of Exquisite, a couple more Hasselback autos, Jay Buhner auto, Hasselbeck on-card auto, Golden Tate logo auto out of Platinum. I think this is the black refractor. A couple Hasselbeck patches. Felix Hernandez dual jersey auto 8.5 near mint to mint graded. Got that from old Tyson NZ. Thanks. I got this nice quad Golden Tate. Sorry for the glare. Got that from Nick. GSN Cards. Thanks a lot for that. The gold version. Jersey autograph Hasselback. Another jersey autograph Hasselback. Hasselback logo patch. Got that from Tyson NZ. He threw that in as an extra when I bought that Felix Hernandez, so I appreciate that. Joan Figgins, triple threads, quad game used auto. Sean Alexander, rookie auto. I think that's SB Authentic, Sign of the Times. I got all three versions of this card. The one numbered to 10, the one numbered to 25, and the one numbered to 50. All patches Hasselbeck. Out of 09, certified, I think. A couple more Hasselbecks. Largent patches. Alright, so that's what I have so far. It's not much, but I'm working on it, and stay tuned. There'll be a video coming soon because I got some new stuff in the sports room, and I want y'all to check it all out. Alright, peace.